We have the filter system and the lift station for this filter system. This lift station, you see the manhole there. The manhole flow comes in from the plant, comes in through the manhole and into the lift station wet well. The pumps comes on, pumps it into the filter through the gray Schedule 80 pipe. The flow goes into the filter, and there are two sensors on the filter on the Schedule 80 pipe that are reading the flow from the pumps. Then it sends a signal into the control room. Here is the flow sensor for the pumps and the chemicals. And then it comes over here and sends a signal to the filter control panel. That tells you the alarms and head loss or anything that out of the ordinary, more or less. A little tutorial of the system. You can hit menu and the alarm, set points, overrides and resets and trends and system adjustments and chemical pumps and maintenance, and you can go back to the main menu. You can click on alarms. We have no alarms. If there was an alarm, it would be red. Knowledge alarm, if there was something there. Alarm history, help, back, and main. So we want to go back since there ain't no alarms. Trends, filter head loss, so you can see how the filter is running throughout that day or every time it came on to make sure it was registering. Menu, set points. These are all the settings and trends that can be changed by just clicking on them if need be, but mostly just leave those as is. System adjustments, this is more clock settings, generic settings. Then you go to chemical pumps. If you wanted to turn the pumps on hand, you can run manual run. And here are the pumps running. Then come back, turn them on manual. You have to make sure you put them back to auto, because when the pumps come on outside for the lift station, it sends a signal to that. The flow meter sends a signal to the filter system, and that's what makes the chemical pumps come on. Here we have the filter system, and right now it's on auto. If we wanted to turn it on hand, just to let the sand and the filter run and mix, we can take it, put it on hand. Right now we have the filter. What it now is doing is the air is scouring the sand where the water can mix and coagulate and collect against the phosphorus. Right now, here are the gauges. The airlift pressure. You want it between 9 to 11, 9 to 12, in that range. Right now it's reading 8. Less is better. When you get up around the 15 range, that means your filter is not working consistently. Your airlift potentially is stopped up. That is the center pipe going down into the filter that's pulling the sand up. This here is the air for the scouring of the sand. Usually I want this around 120. It's got a little bit of air in it. Let's see if I can get the air out. Turning it up. Got a little bit of air bubbles.